Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free.
Today let us prepare mushroom 65. For this, let us take around 8 to 10 button mushrooms, cut them into 2 halves. Our mushrooms are ready. Next we are going to prepare the batter. Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and the required amount of salt. We are going to add water little by little and we are going to make this into a thick batter. Make sure the batter is thick because mushrooms will also leave some water when it is fried. Now let us marinate the mushrooms. Coat the mushrooms well and we are going to let this sit for half an hour. Our marination part is over. Next we are going to fry this in oil. The oil has to be hot and we are going to fry this in low to medium flame. Turn and cook well until golden brown. The mushrooms are ready, we can take it out. Our crispy and most delicious mushroom 65 is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.